tener una charla. Tener una charla. Tener una charla. What does this mean? Charla sounds like charlar. We talked about that verb, charlar. So what is charla? Charla. Tener una charla. This means, to have a talk. To have a talk. That's interesting. Tener means to have. Una, a, charla, talk. Charla is a noun and it means talk. Okay? For example, quiero tener una charla contigo. Quiero tener una charla contigo. This means I want to have a chat with you. Okay, someone wants to chat with you. Tener una charla is an informal phrase, you know. You can use this in informal situations, and it's just to have a chat. Just to have a chat. That's what it means. Quiero means I want. Essentially, you're saying yo quiero. You don't need yo all the time. So, quiero means I want. Okay? Tener, to have, you know. Quiero, similar to I want to. Tener, have. Una, a. Charla, chat. Contigo. We talked about this word already. Contigo means with you. Conmigo, with me. Contigo, with you. Okay? That's what this phrase or this sentence means. And quiero tener una charla contigo means I want to have a chat with you. Tener una charla, we can see the phrase right over here. Tener una charla, to have a talk, to have a chat, okay? Charla, talk, chat, same thing. Same thing. Okay. The next one, the next example is, let's see what we have here. ¿Quieres tener una charla con ella? ¿Quieres tener una charla con ella? This means, do you want to have a chat with her? Okay, it's just a question. Just a simple question, very similar to the previous example. We're using querer, the verb querer again. And in this situation, we have quieres, and that means do you want? Essentially, you're saying tú quieres, but we don't need tú. We just need quieres. Okay, quieres, do you want? Tener una charla, have a chat. Quieres, once again, it means do you want to tener una charla, have a chat. Con means with. Ella means her. Ella means she, and her in this situation. Con ella. It's like when you're saying contigo, with you, con ella, with her, con él, with him, conmigo, with me, okay? So just remember that this con can work with ella, con ella, two words, whereas here we have only one word. So when you say contigo, with you, is one word. When you say conmigo, one word, with me, okay? When you want to say anything else, con él, ella, nosotros, ustedes, two words, okay? Two words. Just remember that. It's something important to remember for sure. Something important. Okay. So that is it, guys. Do you have any more questions? In order to use this phrase, you need to know the conjugation of the verb tener. Yo tengo, tú tienes, él tiene. Yo tengo una charla con mi padre. You know, it's similar to saying I'm having a talk, or I'm having a chat with with my father, or I'm chatting with my father. Okay, so charlar and tener una charla, both are very similar. The previous verb that we talked about, charlar, okay, to chat, it's very similar to this one too. Tener una charla, to have a talk, to have a chat. Okay, charla means talk or chat.